Good morning students. Class 10 General Maths video number 81 exercise 10.2 question number 10. So there is written prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point a circle is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Sum of two angle 180 means that two angle are together called supplementary. So supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center, at the circle. Points of contact at the center, not circle, at the center. So first of all there is written angle between two tangent. We have to see this part. First of all written angle between two tangent. Which one? Angle between two tangent, PA and PB. These two are the pair of tangents which are drawn from say external point. There is written external point. So P is the external point from where we have drawn one pair of tangent PA and PB. These two tangents are formed this angle. One angle is this. Okay. Drawn from external point to a circle is supplementary. That means this angle is supplementary to the angle. Supplementary to the angle. Another angle. Supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments joining the points of contact. That means A and B are the point of contact. These two point of contact we have to join with the center. Then OA and OB are the line segments which are actually here radius. So these two line segments are formed one more angle. This one is AOB. That means this angle is supplementary with this angle. Means what? Sum of these two angle is equal to 180 degree. That one is our target. We have to prove what? Angle AOB plus angle APB equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two angle is 180 degree. It is our target. We have to prove that one. So one thing you say, there are four sides. One side is OA, second side is AP, third side is PB, fourth side is OB. Four-sided closed figure means this one is a quadrilateral. So we can use their angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Sum of four angle equal to 360 degree. Okay, so angle AOB plus OAP plus angle APB plus angle OBP. That means sum of four angle equal 360 degree. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral, that one we can use. Okay, but before using that, first of all we have to find these two angle measurement. So this angle is what? It is the angle formed by the tangent with the radius at the point of contact. So by theorem already we know, tangent are perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact. Tangents are perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact. It is the radius, it is the tangent, and this radius is drawn at point of contact A. So these two are perpendicular with each other. So this angle 90. Same process this one also. PB is the tangent which is perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact. So by theorem this one perpendicular means this one is 90 degree. So this two angle 90. So 90 plus 90 what? 180 degree. And by the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, sum of four angle equal to 360. Sum of four angle equal to 360. So 4 angle addition to 360, out of that 4 angle, 2 angle is 90. That means 90 plus 90, 180. So from the 4 angle addition value 360, just we have to subtract these two measurement to get sum of these two angle 180 degree. It is the complete process. So how that one is written, just you see. First of all, you have to write down the introduction part of the diagram, whatever things are given, that thing just you have to write something about this diagram. So first of all we are declaring the name of the circle COR. O is the center, radius is R. It is the name of the circle. Circle of center O and radius R be a circle. That means we are giving the name where PA and PB are two tangents. PA PA and PB are two tangents which are drawn from same external point to the two different point of contact of the circle. So that was written PA and PB are two tangents which are drawn from same external point P to the circle. Okay. Next is OA and OB are the two radius drawn at points of contact of the tangents. That means OA and OB are the radius of same circle which are drawn at two point of contact of the tangents. So we are getting two line segment, one is OA and OB. So next to prove, we need to prove angle AOB plus angle APB. Sum of these two angle 180 degree, because there is written supplementary. Their addition below supplementary. Okay, supplementary means what? 180 degree. We have to prove sum of these two angle 180. Then written, first of all we have to find out these two 90-90. First of all we have to find out these two 90-90, and secondly we have to use angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Then we will get the last answer. Okay, so since tangents are perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact of the circle, so this one is the tangent perpendicular with this radius at point of contact A. This one is the tangent perpendicular is this radius at the point of contact B. Perpendicular means 90-90, so these two angle 90-90. So that one written OAP equal to 90 degree, OBP equal to 90 degree by this theorem. Okay, this one is statement number 1, and this statement number 1 again you have to use for what? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So by the angle sum property of a quadrilateral written, first of all we are considering the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is what? OAPB. In the quadrilateral OAPB, now we are going to apply what? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So angle sum property of quadrilateral wise we are getting sum of 4 angle equal to 360 degree. Angle AOB plus angle OAP plus angle OBP plus angle APB equal to 360 degree. So sum of 4 angle 360 degree. How written? Just you see here, AOB angle AOB, OAP angle OAP, OBP angle OBP. One angle, two angle, three angle. This one left, angle APB. So that also written. So sum of that all angles equal to 360 degree. After that, angle OAP and angle OBP. This triangle measurement already we have found here in statement number 1. Statement number 1, angle OAP equal to 90 degree, angle OBP equal to 90 degree. These two values just we have to use in this statement. So OAP value 90, OBP value 90. How getting these two? Just you create your link. Just to give your link. By 1. So by 1 we are getting these two measurement 90-90, then AOB plus 90 plus 90 plus APB equal to 360. So sum of these two angle equal 180 degree. 180 degree. Now you have to shift to what? Right side. Right side. So 180 degree already shifted to right side. So this sign is positive plus sign. So if you shift to right side, then this sign will be changed. So now it is minus. So 360 minus 180 degree equal to 180, and there is left what? Angle AOB plus angle APB. So sum of these two angle equal to, we are getting what? 180 degree. It is our target. We have to prove this one. Okay, that's all.